Alright, today I'm going to give you guys a detailed look at this German Luger P08 by Takana Works. Is it? Tanaka Works, sorry. And here's the box. Nothing on the back, it's just styrofoam. And here's the instruction booklet. Looks like everything is written in Japanese. No English whatsoever, but you can tell that this takes 6mm BBs. And so it's basically not a airsoft that most people would use on the field. This is more of a collection piece, a decoration piece, than it is for your games. So here are some of the prices for replacement parts. Everything's in Japanese. What's not to do with the with the magazine, and everything is in Japanese. And I got this at Airsoft Extreme, and basically I paid $1.95 for it. And yeah, everything else in Japanese, and then all the instruction and all that good stuff. And yeah, and then the diagram of the deconstructed Luger. And the only thing that this Luger comes with are, let's see, the weapon itself, the magazine, a speed loader, and some of these wrenches, and that other piece which was used to load the BBs, I guess. And I'm not sure whether it comes with any BBs or not, because I don't remember anymore. And so yeah. Alright, here's a closer look at the weapon itself. There are a couple of markings here and there, just numbers, nothing there aren't any trademarks or anything, but I'm not familiar with the actual Luger itself, so I'm not sure whether there are any markings or not on their weapons. So there it is. This thing's made out of metal except for the pistol grip. Everything else is metal. Same thing for the magazine. And here are a close look at some of the markings. There's a K there, 15, and then 5/42 or something, and then another 15. There's one German word here, and that is it. Probably safety. And the 15, 8015 looks like. Yep. Here's what it looks like. Looking down the sight. Since this is more of a collection piece, they do recommend you use 134A gas instead of green gas because it's less powerful. And here's the little knob on the bottom where you insert the gas. And yeah, don't try to use green gas because this thing will break. Alright, with this weapon, there's something really weird about it. You cannot take the magazine out unless you have it cocked. You have the weapon cocked, otherwise it will get stuck in there. There's a some sort of a safety somewhat inside that prevents you from removing the magazine if your gun is not cocked. So since there are no BBs and I don't have any, if you have the magazine in, you will cock it and it will stay in this position, and that's when you can remove your magazine and insert your gas. Once you got it back in, you could decock it now, just if you want to fire it. So slide this back in, make sure it clicks, and then you shoot. lights. It's not supposed to do that, but yeah, you get the idea. And as you've seen from the demonstration, when you do pull the trigger, this thing pops up and it pulls back and then slide back down, and the barrel actually moves. This thing moves a little bit like that, which is kind of cool. Something different than your normal semi-auto with the slide. This is a German weapon, yes, that's why. So it's really cool. Again, this is more of a decoration piece, not for use on a field, but it is a nice piece for your collection. I don't think they make this anymore, but WE, they do have a few versions of this as well. This one is a 4-inch, there's a 6, and then there's a 8, I believe, I'm not sure, but yeah, those are more reliable than this. And if you're gonna get a Luger, I suggest you try out the Wii version first before you get it, but those should be a little more reliable than the Tanaka ones. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention that FPS for this thing is 225, and it weighs about 1.5 pounds. So, yep. Okay, and for my next review, just want you guys to pick which one you guys want to see me review, which is either the MP7, which is the one on the top, or the MP5 with the tactical light. So let me know which one you guys want to see next in my Airsoft review, but this probably won't happen for another month or so. And for people who wanted to see the other 2 pistols, they will get reviewed eventually, but it's just that I just want to review one for now. And, oh, and this MP7, I have a Mac, a dual Mac clamp, so it's kind of cool, and it has a collapsible stock too. I really like this one actually. It's a 3-step collapsible stock right there. So let me know which one you guys want to see, either the MP7 or the MP5 with the tactical light. And there you go. Thanks for watching.